Hi everyone, I'm Karen, a librarian at the Weston Public Library, and this is my daughter Christina, and we're back again to do some cooking with you. This time we're going to be making chocolate chip cake. Growing up, my kids love this cake because it is a moist cake and can be transported anywhere without going bad. And it lasts for 2 or 3 days after it's been baked without any problem. It has no frosting and it tastes delicious that way. So it can be easily taken on birthday parties if you want to go to the beach or the water park or camping. It's worked well for us. So let's get right started. So the first thing we want to do is preheat the oven to 325. Okay? And then we're going to grease the pan. You need a tube pan, or you can use a bundt pan. That's right, exactly. Or you can even put it in like a square pan if you don't have those. But it fits nicely in this tube pan. So, okay, that's good. And then you want to put in some flour.
Just kind of dump it? Or?
Dump it in. I'm going to shake it a little. Make sure we coat all the sides so it doesn't stick to the pan. Because that is the tricky part at the end, making sure that it doesn't stick.
And isn't it important to get this part?
Mm-hmm. That's all over.
Yeah.
That's good. Good. Okay. All right. And now the very tricky part of this cake is the chocolate bar. I now have a food processor, but before I had to always do this chocolate bar part by grating it with a grater, and it takes a long time to do that. But you can do it that way if you don't have a food processor. So we're going to put the chocolate into the food processor in chunks. All nice and crumbly, nice and fine. I'm going to take it out of the food processor.
Damn, she's fine.
Hold on to it just for a minute. Yeah. Okay. Now, first thing we want to do is, nope, you can put that back. You can open up the cake mix, because this is a cake that is made with a cake mix. We just put in a lot of other things to make it taste delicious.
Show me the box.
Show the box. You can use any kind of yellow cake, Betty Crocker or Duncan Hines, but it should be a moist yellow cake. Okay. Excellent. Then we also need 1 package of vanilla pudding mix. Okay, and then we're going to need 1 cup of this vegetable oil. So I'm going to pour in 1 cup. Not too much? Okay.
No, you gotta go to the top. Micromanaging.
Okay. And pour that in. And then we need 1 cup of whole milk. Perfect.
Yikes! Okay.
Okay, and then you want to mix that up. Can you put the mixer down and perfect. And now we need some eggs. So let's crack the eggs into a bowl first so that we don't make any mistakes like eggshells in there. They won't go into the cake.
2 eggs?
No, 4 eggs. We need all those eggs.
fingers.
And no shells are in there?
No shells.
Perfect. You
Just-
can pour it into the bowl then.
Beautiful.
Okay, now beat it up. Now you want to add turn it off first before you add the chocolate that we already made into little fine flakes. Okay, so now you want to take the bowl out. So yeah, you want to take that off. Perfect. I'll grab it. Yeah. Okay. And then, can you grab a spatula?
Yeah.
Because we haven't finished yet. Okay. Perfect. Hufflepuff?
Not today.
Not today. Okay. You want to measure out 1 cup of the chocolate bits. You can use any kind of chocolate bits. This time we have the very fancy kind. But the Nestle's work just as well.
8 heures. C'est bon ça. C'est trop bien.
Is it French or is it German?
Ah, je ne sais pas, mais c'est bien.
Okay.
Un petit.
All right, this isn't a French lesson. Pour it in. Pour it in.
Mocha beats for you.
Okay.
Sorry, if I have French listeners over there, I'm really sorry.
Well, at least they might know what you're saying. Maybe not.
That's not French. No worries, I checked out.
Okay. And you're gonna, yeah, perfect. Pour it into the bowl, and then just mix it with the spatula.
Glug glug. Glug glug. It's like, have you ever stirred around anything before? Micromanaging!
Perfect.
Beautiful.
All right.
Good job,
Now we're
Jack.
going to put it into the prepared pan.
Yes, it's at 325 and she's ready to go in.
Alrighty, so we're going to take our cake. And we are going to bake it for 1 hour. Okay, so it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes because it actually took a little bit longer than the hour. And to make sure that you know that it's ready, you want to just press it a little, and if it bounces back, that tells you it is ready. So this is now ready to come out, and we're going to let it sit there and cool for about half an hour. Doesn't the house smell delicious?
Ah, does it ever.
So yummy. So we're going to try to take this out now. It's been resting for 30 minutes. So we're going to put the knife around it to try to loosen it up, around the middle too.
Pressure's
Hopefully it will just magically come out. We're going to use this Christina plate. And let's see if we can get it to come out nicely.
on.
Oh, beautiful.
So now it looks so much nicer when it's the top like that.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Okay. Here's a little piece for you. And
We have barely any appetites. Just a sliver will do.
let's try it. Mmm. Delicious.
Oh yeah, that's
Good?
the stuff.
All right, that's a wrap. Thanks so much for joining us today.